Now the question before us is the height and the slant height of a cone are 21 centimeter and 28 centimeter respectively. We have been asked to find out the volume of the cone. Now this is the cone before us. And what has been given to us? Height. This is the height, and height is 21 centimeter. And the another item which has been given is slant height. This is the slant height, this one. Slant height is represented by word L, letter L. This is 28 centimeter. Now we are to find the volume of the cone. By applying the Pythagorean theorem, we understand that there is a relationship between slant height, height and radius, and the formula for the same is L square is equal to R square plus H square, where L represents the slant height, R stands for radius, and H stands for height. So here we can find out the third item, that is we have been given here slant height and height. So we can find out the value of R. R square is equal to L square minus H square. We will fill in the values. It comes L square is L is 28 square minus height 21 square. In other words, we can say that R is equal to under root 28 square minus 21 square. Now what will it come out? 28 into 28. $784. 784 minus it is 441. 784 minus 441. 343. We will do, this is R, which can also be written as 7 into 7 into 7. Now these two become 7 under root 7. So this is the value of radius which has been come out. This is centimeter. Now we have to find out the volume of the cone. Volume of cone is equal to 1 over 3 pi r square h. 1 over 3 pi means 22 over 7. What is the value of r? 7 under root 7, 7 under root 7 into height. Height's value is 21. 1 over 3, 22 over 7 into this 7 and this 7. And when this under root 7 and under root 7, one under root will go out. So here we will solve 7, 7, 3, 7. So what is balance? 22 into 7 into 7 into 7. 7 into 7 into 7. 3 times 7 we have written as it comes 343 multiplied by 22. 343 7546. So volume of the cone is 7546 cubic centimeter. This is the answer. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.